Hiya, it's Hannah the Artisan Duck, and I'm back today with a polymer clay tutorial. I know I said it'd be bead weaving next, but I was working on this and I really wanted to share it with you. So this is what we're making today. It's a really cute strawberry slab. So I'm going to use this to cut some earrings out. But yeah, let's get started. Right, before I show you how to make a strawberry, I'm just going to show you the clay I've got. Here, rolled out on a number 3, is Polymer Professional in a navy blue. I've got a Fimo glitter red, which I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle, but it's sparkly. And then I've got this green here for the stem and the leaves. And this is a Polymer Professional in sap green, but the sap green is really bright. So I've just added a little bit of leaf green just to dull that colour down a little bit. Right, so I'm just going to move this to one side. There we go. I've moved over the clay I'm using to make the strawberry. So I've just pinched off a little bit of each colour, and I've cut myself a piece of the red for the strawberry. Now obviously you're going to have to sort of trial and error with this to see how big you want your strawberries to be and how big a piece you need to cut off. So the first thing I'm going to do is just roll this red into a ball, just easily like that, and then when I'm happy with the shape, just gently press it on my tile, just so I've got one side that's flat and then the top side is slightly rounded. All I'm going to do is pinch the bottom of the red shape and then press the top. And you can see it makes a little sort of triangle, and that's pretty much the shape of the strawberry. It's really easy, and there we go. So pop that back on your tile, and I like to press it down a little bit more. We don't want them too bulky on the actual earring. So on the slab I should say, but I plan to make earrings with it. And then I've got a sharp tool here, and I'm just going to really carefully go round and add little marks, and that's going to be our seeds. There we go. Can you see? Lift this up. There's our seeds there. May add a few more just down the bottom and one at the top. There we go. Now I'm happy. I'm just going to get, oops, before everything rolls off my desk, my flexible blade, and I'm just going to scoop that up and move it to one side. Right, the next thing to do is to work on the stem. And I like to do this all off the canes, the slab, sorry. So if I make a mistake, I can just scrap the one I've made and then start again. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of the green clay. And again, just roll this up initially into a ball, but, well, kind of a ball. Just smooth it out and then roll it into a bit of a snake, a little snake like that. I just like to cut the end because I always think the top of the strawberry stalks are a little bit blunter. And then bring the strawberry back in, and then I need to move this around, sorry. Pick your strawberry up, and then you're just going to pop it on the stem. So there's going to be some of it underneath and a little bit of it sticking out the top. There we go. And again, we're just going to scoop this up, mainly because I want to show you what it looks like underneath, how far down. There you go. So there's a little bit of the green underneath, and there's the top of it. So I'm just going to take this and just slightly angle it. There we go. And there's the top of our strawberry stem. So the next thing are the leaves. Right, for the leaves, I'm just going to use my green clay again and cut off 2 pieces, and they're going to be bigger than I needed for the stalk, like so. And then I'm just going to roll them into balls, and shaping these is very similar to how we did the strawberry. So I'll show you one. So it's in a ball there. I'm going to pop it on my tile and just flatten it out slightly like that. And then I'm going to pick it up. I'm just going to pinch the end to make the teardrop shape, and then pop it back on my tile and just push it down again. Just because when you pinch it, it makes one side stick up a little more, like that. Then I'm going to take my blade and scoop it back up. There we go, and this is so tiny, I want you to be able to see it. And I've got a sort of a pointed tool here, and all I'm going to do is take the tool and push it in like that. And once I'm happy with the shape, I can go ahead and pop it on my strawberry. I'm just going to move the strawberry over here for you rather than picking it up and squashing it. And I'm just going to pop that leaf on like that, and I can properly like tweak it when I need to, if I need to, when I've made the second. And then I'm going to make the second leaf. So again, just roll that into a ball, press it down and pick it up and pinch. My camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. And then I'm going to just push it down again. Use my blade. Use my pointed tool to just put a little line in it there. And if you feel like you've lost a little bit of the point and you want it a bit sharper, you can just pinch it like that. But pretty much, there's your leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the strawberry. And if you've got like a ball tool or something that you can use at this point to help position, then I suggest that might be an easier option. So I'm just going to use this. There we go, there's my second leaf added. I'm not sure how well that's focusing for you. I'm just going to pick that up then on my blade again, and then just carefully pick it up, take it over to your slab, find somewhere for it to go, and pop it down, and you can press it into place when you're happy with the positioning. So I'm going to go off, I'm going to complete the whole slab, and then I shall come back and catch up with you when I've done that. Right, there's all my strawberries made and added onto my clay slab. So next I need to fill in some of these gaps, because when I cut my earring shapes out, I want to make sure that I've got as much of this base colour covered with some type of pattern, so that each earring has something interesting to look at. So I've rolled out these tiny little bits of clay, and this is a yellow ochre, so it's a very soft yellowy colour. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. And I'm just going to dot that onto the clay. I literally just find a blank spot and pop it on, and then I like to just, trying to do this without putting my hand over it, use a ball tool like this, and I'm just going to press it down. It just squashes it into the clay and makes it nice and secure, and sort of doesn't detract too much from the rest of the pattern. So I'm going to go on and fill all that lot in, and then I'll come back and show you. There we go, that's all finished. So all I need to do now is go off and cut my shapes and pop them in the oven. So I'm going to go and do all that, and then when they're ready and finished, I shall come back and show you. There we go. Some of the finished earrings that I've made out of that slab. I got quite a few pairs out of it, but I've made them all the same shape, so there's no point showing you all of them. I've just popped them on some fishhook earring wires, and I've given them 2 coats, if you can see it, 2 coats of a gloss varnish, just to bring out the colour and give them a bit of added shine as well. I'll pop some links below for the blog post where I detail how I made these, and for some affiliate links for some of the products and tools that I've used. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.